Show me all the cards you hold close to your chest. I'll take all the parts of your loved ones to test. Find me, I'm inside, you're inside to my hell. In front of my eyes as I talk to myself. What's the point in a friend if you're on your own in the end? With you, with them, I go through it all again. I'd quite like to go home now. I'll make an attempt, knowing that I'll fuck it up. If only you would pick me now, hold me in content, 'cause I don't wanna interrupt. There's pretty ways to tear me down. What's the point in a friend if you're on your own in the end? With you, with them, I go through it all again. I'd quite like